This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मंदवासरः अधिकाशा अधिक अश्विन शुद्ध द्वितीया दिनांक 19 सप्टेंबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम अश्वगंधादिलेख शंखं चक्रं जलौघान्दलमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यांशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसं चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीनं प्रौढदावाग्निलीनं ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यथार्यं तथनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत्नं सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। So after this Chinchadilayam, Ashwagandhadilayam, Ashwagandham Tilam Masham Gudam Pushtan Chasarusha, Ardhamasa Prayagena Kunjarena Samambara. तभी अयं सुलभः योगः अश्वगन्धा तिल माश कृष्णा सर्पिषा गुड सर्पिषा तर्हि अश्वगन्धा तिलं माशं गुडं कृष्णां तेषां समभागः कार्यः इति मन्ये सर्पिषा अर्धमासप्रयोगेण कुञ्जरः नाम हस्ति तर्हि हस्तिसमं बलं भवति इति फलश्रुतिः अश्वगंधा तिल माश गुड़ कृष्णा पिपली सर्पी prepare layya with the above drugs taken in specific quantity. Within 15 days one can get strength equivalent to an elephant. So I think this is Rasayana as well. This might be used in PCOD. So what we have to give is Ashwagandha and Krishna and ask them to put till Masha and Guda. Till Masha and Guda. We make even Masha Churna. If this layer is available, that is also fine. So one can prepare layer and give. That will be better. So maybe this can be prepared. This should be Pushtikanaka as well. There the Falashruti is Bala, Punjarena Samam Balam, but this will be Pushtikanaka as well. So I think this might be tried. Ikshuradilayam. Ikshura Markati Bijam Musali Shatavari Mashatilancha Gogrutha Sharkara Madhusanyuktam Nari Gana Gajakesari Yogam. Nari Gana. So Ikshura Gokshura Markati Bija. All are Shukravardhaka Musali Shatavari Mashatilancha Gogrutha Sharkara Madhusanyuktam Nari Gana Gajakesari Yogam. अत्यंतवाशी Gajakesari is a lion, a Simha, who is capable of defeating even an elephant or something like that. For Narijana, for women, this is like a Gajakesari. But this Kunjara or Gajakesari, these are different from the Ashwa and Vrusha. These are common symbols for virility or Vajikarana. So this is of course in Prusha and PCOD. Generally PCOD are obeyed, but in Prusha this would be useful. There is this Tila and Buddha Sanyoga in Pandurogadhyaya. So typically we're gonna use that Pindutikam Pandurogini. I don't remember the first stanza. But anyway, Gudanagar Mandura Tilamshan Namakasana. Gudanagar Mandura and Tila. These are the things, four things. Typically, Dvigunan Yunjat Gotikam Pandurogini. So, in the same manner, this is Ashwagandha, Tila, Masha, Buddha, Dhruta. This is the combination. If we do it Dhruta Parjana and then add Buddha, that should be fine. And Tila also may be taken Tila Chura as such. And this should be Mausa Shukra Balapradha Mausa Shukra Buddhika. And this yoga is particularly, I don't think whether this Gogurta Sharkara Madhu Sanyuktam. So this is the Churna and it is to be given with Gogurta Sharkara Madhu. This can be used for both male and female. So I think Ikshuradi Layam, whether this is available in the market, can this be used in Pittaja Shukra Dushti? May be used. Only Masha is a bit different. Otherwise, other things are good. So anyway, this is going to be Vajikarana. There is no doubt. So Atyanta Vajikara. I am using one Chatavarya Shukravardhaka Yoga that was in practice by Venivada Shastri Joshi, containing all Shukravardhaka Dravya, Chatavari, Gokshur, Dhatri, and Ashwagandha, and Vikshuraka, etc. etc. And there is one Chatavarya, the Churna by Vaidyana, that is also commonly used, and that is also Shukravardhak as such. मधुस्नुहि रसायन द्विकुंडली फलत्रयं कटुत्रयं त्रिजातकं यवानि सैन्धवं सैन्धवानि सैन्धवान्वितं विडङ्गसार रास्नकं सभाङ्गे चव्यग्रन्थिकं च धान्ययुग्म जीरकं समांशं कुष्ठचित्रकं च सारिवा वराधिकं वराहिकम् अश्वगन्धसंयुतं पृथक् च प्रशचूर्णितम्. What वृत्ति it is? द्विकुण्डली फलत्रयं कटुत्रयं त्रिघातकं. This seems to be understood, but समांशं कुष्ठचित्रकं च सारिवा वराहिकम्. Generally, the cha is not placed like that. Samausham Kushchitrakam Sariva Varahikam cha, that will be better. Ashwagandha Sanyutam. This is also not in tune with this shloka vrutta or something like that. Charkokta Apatyakara Yoga Paiki Pakta Kshira Vidari Nani. Ikshara Kaleha. Yeah. So this might be a good thing to use. मधुस्नेहितु तत्समानं सर्वमान शर्करा सगोघृत समाक्षिकं सुपक्वकं रसायनं प्रभातकाल सेवितं सुदीपनं रुचिप्रदम् वाकपित्तभुक्षजं च श्लेष्मकं च यज्ञकं गण्डलीफलत्रयं कटुत्रिकं त्रिघातकं यवानिर्सैन्धवान्वितं विडङ्गसाररास्नकम्. So this is some different vrutta. This is the same vrutta. Subhangichavyakrantikam chadhanya yukmajiratam samausham kushtachitakam chasariva parasam. We have to see which vrutta it is. वातपित्तरुक्षजं च श्लेष्मकं क्षयघ्नकं प्रमेहहारिगुल्मशूल खण्डनं दृढाम्बरं सर्वधातुवर्धनं बलप्रदं सुखप्रदं पूज्यपादभाषितं वधुस्नुहीरसायनं. पूज्यपाद. So I don't know whether Madhusnuhi Rasayana is available. This will be Rasayana and also Virechana kind of thing. Pachana Virechana. प्रभातकालस्य सुदीपनं रुचिप्रदं वातपित्तवृक्षजं च श्लेष्मकं क्षयघ्नकं प्रमेहादिगुल्मशूलखण्डनं दृढाम्बरं सर्वधातुवर्धनं बलप्रदं सुखप्रदम्. So whether this is available? मधुस्नुहि रसायन द्विकुंडली गुड़ुचि मूल फलत्रय कटुत्रय त्रिजातक यवानी सैंधव विडंग सार विडंग घनसत्व रासना भारंगी चव्य ग्रंथिक धान्यक युग्मचीरक कुष्ठ चित्रक सारिवा वाराही अश्वगंधा वंदर्श each. Yes sir, available. Okay. This is available, then this might be used. I have one question. This can be used even in cancer patients. That is also Walia and Cheria. Two part available. So Walia it will be better. Whole part might mean there will be Cheria part later. Madhusne equal to all. Sharkara equal to all above. Madhu. Deepana Rucha Vatapittaja Rupshaja Kapakshaya प्रमेह गुल्म शूल धातुवर्धक बलप्रद सुखप्रद. So मधुस्नुही रसायन. So we'll see. पुलिंग कुलंबु चुक्कम शुंठी तिप्पली पिप्पली पुराण मुलगम ओल्ड मरीच ओल्ड कायम हिंगू करीम जीरकम कालजीर सिद्धार्थक चितक दीप्य जीरक कटु तिप्पली गजपिप्पली कट्टू मगाशी प्रिय Tippali is just Pippali and Kattu Tippali is Gajapipali, one part each. निवडुंगाचे क्षीर घ्यायचे का? Yes, मधुस्नयी निवडुंग क्षीर. So that is why I said that this would be Virechana. So and Madhusnoyi is quite big amount over here. And other dravyas are Pachana and to certain extent Bruhana, etc. So and Rasayana. So I will suggest, I have one patient right now. कांडबीज पत्र रस इंदुप्पु सैंधव लवण चिंचा रस रसोन कल्प मोरोडु तकर. Prepare lay with the above drugs taken in specified quantity and administered generally in a dose of 1 tola. अष्टविध गुल्म सर्वशूल अंतररोग पांडु. चोपचिनी difficult to say chopchini as such. Let us see what is available in the market and what they use for that. Pulinkulam. So patra rasa kandabija patra rasa induppu chinsa rasona and morudu tatra. How long it is going to last if it is takra siddha? I don't know whether this is available. Pulinkulampu 2. Vyoshtrikatu Jeraka Kayam Hingu Agni Chitaka Kattu Tippali Gajapipali Krishna Jiraka Induppu Ajamoda Ulli Dashankalka Saindhava Kandabija Patrasana. What is Kandabija or Kandabija? Tandulodaka Chinsarasa Eranda Taila Gulma Antrashula Trikashula. So this is also quite different. Agastya Rasayana. दशमूलम स्वयं गुप्ताम शंख पुष्पाम षठी बलाम हस्ते पिप्पल जपा मार्ग पिप्पली मूल चितकान भांगी पुष्कर मूलं च विपलाम शान निवाड़ता हरितकी शतश्चैकम जल पंचाड़के पचित यवस्वेदे कषायन तम पूतन चच्चा भयाशतम. क्वचित गुणतुलां दत्वा कुडवंच पृथक्कृतात् तैलात् सुपिप्पली चूर्णात् सिद्धे शीतेश्च माक्षिकात्. So these are to be taken, Dashmula to be taken in Vadvipala and Yava Adhaka, Haritiki Shata, Jalapanchadaka, Vatha, Jala. So Panchadaka Jala, Yavasvede, Kashayantam Putam Tacha Bhayashata. When the Yava is Vinna, and then this is to be filtered, and that Abhayashata and Pachat Gudatalam Datva. Whether Yava is to be added or not. Kudavancha Prutak Brutat, तैलात सुपिप्पली चूर्णात सिद्धेः शीतेश्च माक्षिकाः. So Agastya Haritaki is available in the market. Lehadve Chabhe Nityam Atakhade Prasayam. So I think the Yava is not to be taken, but only Haritaki is to be taken. Tad Vali Palitam Handyat Varnayur Balavardhanam. Panchakasam Kshayanka Shwasam Hidmam Hidmam Vishamajvaram. Gulmameha Garanyasho Rutrogar Chikidasam Agastya Vihitam Nandam Idam Shrishtam Dasayam. So Dashamula Swaya Gupta Shatkapa. Sakhi Bala Hasti Pippali Apamarga Pippali Mula Chitraka Bharangi Pushkar Mula 2 Pala each Yava 1 Adaka Jala 5 Adaka Haritiki 100 number Gruta 1 Pudava Taila 1 Pudava Buddha Shambhar Pala Pippali 1 Pudava Madhu 1 Pudava. Prepare a lay with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity and internally in a dose of 2 Haritiki fruits. Only this madhu is to be added after when it becomes cool. Swagashita. So that has not taken into the translation. Vali Palita Varnya Ayu Bala Vardaka Panchakasa Shwasa Kshaya Hidma Vishama Jvara Gulma Meha Grahani Arshas Rudroga Aruchi Vinasa. So this is formulated by Maharshi Agasti and base material is from Rasayana Therapy. So where to use this Agastya Haritaki? Chakasa Kshaya Shwasa Hidma Vishama Jvara Gulma Meha Grahani Arshas. So the Falashruti is quite wide. Dantahatyavaleha Dantiharitakavaleha Dronem Basam Pachet Dantyaha Palanam Panchavinshati Chitakasya Patya Tabadis Tadrase Smrute Vipraste Sadhaye Pute Tripet Danti Samangulam. तैलात् फलानि चत्वारि त्रिवृताया चूर्णतः कणात् कर्षौ तथा शुण्ठ्यास् सिद्धे लेहे तु शीतले वतुतैलं समं दद्यात् चातुर्जातं चतुर्थकम् ततो हरितकीम् एकां सावलेहि प्रलापयेत् सुखं विरिच्यते स्निग्धो दोषप्रस्थम् अनामयः गुल्मरुद्रोगदुर्नाम शोक आनाहगरोदरम् कुष्ठोक्लेशारुचिक्लीह ग्रहणी विषमज्ञा. So this is quite big part. Virechana Yoga. Sukham virichyate snigdho snigdoshu prastham anamayaha. So it has a capacity to remove dosha prastha in anamaya condition. Danti haritakya valeha. This is available. Danti haritakya valeha. I think this might be available. Guda taila tirvrut kana shunti chaturjataka. Madhu. Specified quantity. सुख विरेचक गुल्म रुद्रोग अर्शस क्षोभ आनाह उदर कुष्ठ उत्क्लेश अरुचि प्लीहा ग्रहणी विषमज्वर पांडु कामला. So I think this Dantyaharithakya Avaleha is available. Does anybody know? Kutaja Avaleha. Tulyam Divyam Basi Pachet. Yes, sir, available. Okay. So for Virechana purpose, this might be used. Ashtanga, yeah, that is fine. तुलाम दिव्यम बसे पचेद आर्द्राया कुटजत्वचा नीरसायां त्वचिक्वाथे ऊते सूक्ष्मरजीकृतां समंगा फलिनी मोक्ष रसान मुष्ट्यं शतां समा. So कुटजत्वचा आर्द्र कुटजत्वचा is to be used. Nirasayan त्वचिक्वाथे pute, and then when it becomes nirasa, then Sukshma Rajikrutan Samanga Falini Mocha Rasan Mushtem Shakan Saman. These are to be added. तश्चे शक्रयवान् दद्यात् ततो दर्वी प्रलेपनं पक्वा च लेहं लीढ्वा च यथाग्नि तं यथाग्निबलं पिबेत् पेयां मण्डं पयश्चागं कव्यं वा छागदुग्धमुख लेहोऽयं शमयित्याशो रक्तापि सारपायुषान् बलवत् रक्तपित्तं च सर्वद ऊर्ध्वम् अधोऽपि. अवलेह कल्पना प्रमेयात् वाप्राविता can be used even though the medicine contains sugar. It is not that it's to be avoided in prameha or even today's diabetes. Now today's diabetes and prameha can be different. That is one aspect. And in diabetes also, total avoidance of sugar may not be allowed. When the Anupana law of Vasanta Kusumakar is Samadhu Sharkaradissaha. So there should not be any doubt about that. Anyway, one should have proper judgment whether to use or not, etc. And sometimes it so happens that there's lot of stress and the brain requires more sugar. That is why body produces. And if you keep on suppressing a sugar level by insulin or medicines, etc., etc., then it never comes down. The sugar never comes down. So in that scenario, one may have to use sharkara externally, and that brings the sugar down. There is one case by this Gaganand. Vaidya from Karad. I don't remember right now, but anyway. And there was a case where he too much Daurbalya, and not responding to treatment for sugar level cancer. And then he realized that these reasons are psychological, and then he started with the Kusumakar with Madhu and Sharkara. And she improved clinically. The Daurbalya had gone, and also the sugar level came down. So, even the Ikshurasa can be given, and the sugar comes down. If you are dead sure that this is Apatarpanotha and you need Santarpana, then you may not use, you may not avoid Sharkara as such. So this is Kutajavale, Pakvale, and Lidvachatam Yasagnivalam Pipe, Peya Mandam Payashagam, Rogamka Chaga, Lehoyam Prashamshamayat Kashu Raktati Sara Payushan, Balava and Sravat Urdham, Adhopiva. So this we may try on Raktati Sara or Picillary ulcerative colitis, Kutajavale. And this is available in the market. Kutajavale is available. So after eating this, then Peya Manda Chak, Payash Chaga Dravya, this is to be consumed. And Chagadugda book, that is also important. But I think this should be tried, particularly for this ulcerative colitis. So Ardhra Kutichatva, Akashodaka 8 parts. Prepare Ashtamam Kashaya, then add Samanga, Havini, Mocharasa, Shakrayava, Indraza. And this is to be followed by Lajapeya, Manda, Okshira, Ajakshira, according to family. Raktapitta, Arshas, Urdhvana Raktapitta, and Adhog Raktapitta. So this is a good medicine for Raktapitta as such. We are not using it. Gavya Durga Anupan Raktati Sarat Kasi. But I don't think any problem. Sometimes the symptoms are like Grahani, and Dugdha may produce Virechana and can be troublesome too. कुटजलव्या नावाने अनेक कंपन्यांचे सायरपच मिळते. So I think the Vikshira should not be a problem as regards the Anupana. Those who tolerate it well should not be a problem. Those who don't tolerate, we may go for larger pay, etc. That will be it. Kutaja Fanita, Palani Dasha Bijana Kutajasya Ashtavis Tvachaha. Pale should be Mulas, Chadbishcha Mulasya, Chaturvik Kusamasya. Dvabhyam Parabhyam Patrasya Sahitani Jatushkaye. जलाढकानां संक्षुद्य दीक्षित्याग्नौ अधिष्ठिये पादशेष कषायेऽस्मिन् पूते वस्त्रावगामिनः फलानि षोडश क्षिप्त्वा पुराणस्य कुलस्य विपच्यमाने सान्दर्भं प्राप्ते विवक्षाब्दधान्मकैः जम्बूपल्लव चूतास्ति दारिमत्ववचाभयाः पाठा जाति कला जाजू गुला विशागुहा तिक्ता शाल्मलील्यासा नागपेन युवतियोगिच्च कर्षमिताः सम्यक् चूर्णीकृत्यात्र तद्दर्शः अवकीर्यानुलोड्यानुसंयुज्य भावतारे भावतारे जीवनादेशामध्ये गृहिणी वाढवणे व आंतरस्राव कमी करणे यासाठी या दृष्टीने दूध उपयुक्त ठरत असावे. Milk is rasayana nourishing, etc. Only thing is whether they will tolerate milk or not. Those patients of colitis, ulcerative colitis, may not sometimes tolerate milk. They may have immediate loose motions. So in that scenario, we have to take a precaution that it doesn't trouble him. Hmm. Oh, ठीक है. I think the previous page need to see. पुरुषे ग्रथते पथ्यमसे गोदुग्धाबद्दल वर्णन आहे. Yes, so that is fine. So कुटच फल फाणित फलानि दशबीजानां कुटजस्याष्टभिस्त्वचः फलैषड्भिश्च मूलस्य चतुर्भिः कुसुमस्य च द्वाभ्यां फलाभ्यां पत्रस्य सहितानि चतुष्टये जलाढकानां संशुद्ध्य निक्षिप्य अग्नौ अधिश्रयः पादशेषे कषायस्मिन् पूते वस्त्रावकालनात् फलानि षोडश क्षिप्त्वा पुराणस्य गुणस्य तु विपच्यमाने सान्धत्वं प्राप्ते योषाब्दधान्यकैः जम्बूपल्लवच्युतास्ति दारिमत्वसाध्याः पाठाजास्ति कलाजाति हिङ्गुलातिविशाखुहाः तिक्ताशालनिर्यास्याः नागपूर्णेन युजो पृथक्तर्षस्मिताः सम्यक् चूर्णीपुत्रात् कृत्यात्र तदृशः अवक्रियानुरोध्यात्मीं प्रयोज्य भावतारे. So anyway, so बीज कुठेच बीज फल दशफल कुठेच त्वक अष्टफल मूल चतुष्फल षटफल कुसुम चतुष्फल. So everything is कुठेच. द्वाभ्यां फलाभ्यां पत्रस्य. So patra also is taken. Sahitani chatushkaya jalahakan samshuddhya nikshitya agno adhishya. So these are to be boiled, including jala. Padasheshe kashayasmi pute vastravada. When it remains 1/4 and when it is filtered by cloth. Panani shodasha kshiptva puranasya vasya. Then Purana got to be shodasha pala. Vipachavane sandhatvam prapte vyashabdadhamake. And when it is cooked, it is called as panita. Then at that stage, vyasha abda dhanyaka, so vyasha musta dhanyaka, jambu pallava chutasti, दाढिमत्व वशाभयाः पाठाजाति फलाजाति हिंगुलाति विशाखः तिक्ता शान्मन् निर्यासा नागपेन युजोऽपि च पृथक्कर्षमिता सम्यक् चूर्णीकृत्यात् तत्रशः अवतिर्यानुलोड्यान् संयुज्य भावतारे. I still don't understand what is भावतारे. दद्याच्च शीते क्षौद्रस्य प्रस्थमस्मिन् सुभाजने आदाय सम्यक् रक्षेक्ष यथा कालं सुशीलितः पाणितं कौटितं भेल मिलना विहितोर्षसां सर्वेषां शमनायालं बालेषु अपि अनिवारितः. So this is to be produced for arshas. विहितोर्षसां सर्वेषां shamanaya alam baleshu api anivaryatah. And even in Bala it is not what you can say avoided or prohibited as such. Kuttija bija 10 pala, kuttija twak 8 pala, kuttija moola 6 pala, kuttija kusuma 4 pala, and kuttija patra 2 pala, jala 4 adaka. So prepare and then add purana guda. Then add guda. Then the prakshepat are to be व्योष अब्द धान्यक जम्बू पल्लव चतुष्षष्टि चूतास्ति सॉरी आम्रास्ति दाड़ीमत्वक वचा अभया पाठा जाति फल अजाजी हिंगुद अतिविषा गुहा प्रसारिणी तिक्ता शाल्मली निरस्या निर्यास सॉरी नागफेन अहिफेन one karsha each madhura. Maharshi Bahila formulated Kutir Pani. So it is Panita like Dhanasara, but except it is Avleha and Kutija Avle is available. Again, we have to see which part is available in the market. Kautajadi Guda. Kautaja Trifala Nimko Patola Dhananagare. Nimba Patola Trifala Murdvika Musta Vatsato. Nimba Patola Trifala Murdvika Musta and Vatsaka. Khana and Musta is there. Nagar and Kautaj are different over here. So this is a bit different from Kautaj and Shilagata and such. All these dravyas are good for Mausapachaka. Major of them are in Mausapachaka. Kvatha. Bhavitani Dashahani Rasaihi Vitriguna Niva. So 2 times times or 3 times of this rasa. These are Kautaju Trifala. Shilajatu Palanyashta. So Bhavana to be given to Shilajatu. Ashtapala. Tavati Sita Sharkara. And then Sita Sharkara to be added. Vakshiri Pippali Dhatri. Karkatakhya Palonmita. Vakshiri Pippali Dhatri Karkatakhya Palonmita. These have to be added in Pala form. Nidgha Mula Palamulabhyam Palam Yutya Trijatakam. And Nidigdhika is again Nidigdha is Kantakadi. फल and मूल and त्रिजातक. Cauteriry trifala available. Okay. मधु त्रिफल संयुक्तम कुर्यात् अक्ष समान गुणान् दाडिम्बाम्बुपयः पक्षी रसतोय सुरासमा तान् भक्षयित्वान् पिबेन् निरन्नो भुक्त एव वा पाण्डुपुष्टज्वरप्रियः तमकार्षो भगन्धरम् पूतिरुच्छुक्रमूत्राग्नि दोष शोष गरोदरम् कासासृक् शोकगुल्म गलामयान् तेन वर्ध्म भ्रमान् हन्यात् सर्वदोष हरि शिवः हर शिवः or Hari Shiva or something like that. One is Strilinga, one is Cauteriry Shilajit. Yeah. Only thing is there is bit difference. The Madhu Tripala Sanyuktam Kuryadaksha Saman Gunan etc. This is all like Cauteriry Shilajit itself. So Darimam Paya Pakshi Rasatoya Sura Saman, these are to be drunk. Nirannaha Bhukta Eva, or one may take it empty stomach or after eating something. So this is to be taken Pakshitoya, Pakshirasatoya Sura, Asura, Asava, etc. Same in Ashtanga part. There is one difference, Bokshur or something like that. That is what also Shiva Gotika from Yogaratnakara, same part. And Shiva Gotika is also available in the market. So anyway, he have mentioned the part over here. Cauteriry Trifala Nimba Patola Gananagaraihi Davitani Dashani Rase Tripananva Nimba Patola Trifala Mrudvika. There is Mrudvika in that Mustavatsa. And here it is Nagar. Yeah, it is Cauteriry Shilajit only. So, Nidigdha Palamul, Nidigdha Palamulabyam Palam Vikta Trijatakam Madhutripala Sanjuktan Kuryadaksha Saman Gunan Darimam Etman Piben Niranno Bhukta Eva Pandu Kushta Jwara Pliha Tamakarsho Bhagandaram Unmutra Puti Shukragni Dosha Shosha Garodakam Kasak Sut Darpitta Sruk Shofa Gulma Galamaya Mehavardman Andis Sarvadosha Hara Shivaha. Yeah, Ashtanga Hridaya. So fine, this is then Cauteriry Shilajatu only. And this is available in the market by जीर्णतिसार मध्ये ग्रहणी बल वाढवणे व अंतरक्षोभ कमी करणे यासाठी दूध उपयुक्त ठरत असावे. Yeah, those all do not tolerate like that, but many can tolerate. Cauteriry Trifala Avaleha from Sitaram Pharmacy. Okay, so we have to see whether this is available in South. If it is from Sitaram Pharmacy, I am using this Cauteriry Shilajatu for CKD patients, and that was not available over there. So we have to take it from Pune, purchase it from Pune and take over there. That was the scenario. But if this Cauteriry Trifala is available, then that might be thought of. That is one thing. The whole story started with And why we have to see the Shiva Gutika, that should also be available. Sitaram. पूतिमूत्र पूति शुक्र असे घ्यावे का? I think Shukra Mutra Agni dosha, that will be better. So Shukra dosha, Mutra dosha, Agni dosha, that might be the thing. And Putiru, it removes Putitva, so that can be used in gangrene. So you may have to think about that. I am using. Okay. SDM ची शिवा गुटिका मिळते. Okay. Shiva Gutika available. So that might be a good thing to start with. It so started that we were working on this diagnostic software Ayuta Nidhanam, and we were feeding cases in that for trial basis. And there was one case, Akshikuta Shotha, and kidney failure, creatinine high and urea high or something like that. And now this is considered as associated with kidney, but for us, it is associated with Pandu. And there is another symptom, Pindikodveshtan, which is very common in these kidney failure patients. So I was trying to look for kidney patients as such. And where in what it is found, then our diagnosis is Shotha or Pandu. So I was emphasizing whether to emphasize on Pandu or Shotha. And then I found that in Lakshana Kosha, Pindikodveshtan is associated with Pandu and not with Shotha. सर इथे गुदन हा शब्द गुडान वटी गोळीच्या आकारासाठी आहे असं वाटतं. या अक्षसमान गुडान दॅट इज गुड कंटेंट म्हणून नाही. ओके ओके मधुत्रिपल संयुक्तम कुर्यात अक्षसमान गुडान. Yeah, that might be Gutika, not as a Guda, but Gutika. So if there is Guda in that, then that is different thing. But if there is Sharkara, so this might be Goli or Gutika, etc. So what happened actually, I emphasized on Pindikodveshtana then and arrived at Pandu as our Nidana. And then Pindikodveshtan is associated with Mausadhatu. So I was looking for Mausadusha and Pandu. And in the Samprapti of Pandu itself, there is a mention that Sreshvatmakrakta Mausani Pradushantaramashtika. So then I started searching for medicine which will be for Mausa Dusha in Pandu. And then I came across this Protejadusha diagram. At that time it was not available. Might be these things are available in Kerala, but I was not aware about that. So I got it prepared. And now this is being prepared in Maharashtra on a regular basis, and many people are using it. I started using it, and that fetched very good results. Not only that, Pindikodveshtan stopped, but the creatinine and urea also dropped. So there was another case in which Pindikodveshtan was much prominent symptom. And when this was fed to the computer, surprisingly, the first Nidan that came up was Pindikotveshana Nanatmaja. Now I didn't remember that in Ashiki Vakavikar there is one Pindikotveshana. But then I decided, okay, let us emphasize on that. So let us consider it as Vata Vyadhi. And then the best treatment for Vata Vyadhi is Basti. So I started searching Basti. And in Mustadi Apana Basti, there is Mausa Shukra Balaprada Palashuddhi. So I thought of using Mustadi Apana in that particular patient. And it also worked. So again, the Pindikotveshana got relieved. But apart from that, the creatinine and urea level dropped down. So we need to have our own diagnosis. In one case, this Akshikuta Shopa was associated with Amajirana. Tatra Shopakshiganda that is the Lakshana. And generally, due to uremia, high urea level, there is Ullasa. So I gave Vamana, and that also fetched very good results. Only thing is, Vamana is risky over here, and there are chances of heart attack. So one has to be very cautious while giving Vamana. But Polakar sir also had given Vamana in one case, and I also have given Vamana in two cases. So if your diagnosis is perfect and if there are conditions to give Vamana, one may go for Vamana in such cases. So anyway, that emphasizes on the fact that we need to have our own diagnosis. The modern diagnosis is the same, kidney failure or CKD, but our diagnosis may be Budbhakshanjanya Pandu, maybe Pindikotveshana Namatmaja, maybe this Ajirna, Amajirna or something like that. And Pandu in general, that also might be Nidan. So accordingly, we have to treat that will be better. Mutraghata woman contraindication. But there might not be Mutraghata as such. Now this lady was ADA working in Sasun Hospital. She was treating many cases of renal failure with a Sunday protocol, in which she was giving woman to every patient. So this was very difficult to understand and whether there is a condition for a woman or not. But anyway, that can fetch good results. And if our diagnosis is Amajirna, then we may not try to use that. Tapyadi Loha and Toptaja physiology, that difference there is quite difference. Basically, this is a yoga of Shilajatu. In Tapyadi Loha, there is Shilajatu, but there are other Loha and Mandura, Raupya, etc. medicines. And this is peculiarly Shilajatu Kalpa with some Bhavnath, etc. So let us consider it on the basis of Shilajatu as such. And Shilajatu itself is Rasayana and Sarvadoshahara Shiva. So this Shiva Falashruti is again typical, and it has this Adidaivika aspect as well. So may have to think about that. Anyway, conclude today and continue on Monday with Charaka. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरतिभुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नित्यम्. How to deal with low HB in CRF patients? This is a common practice, and Pandu needs to be taken care. And we have to go for Panduroga Chikitsa like Snehapan, Vamanziratan, etc. That will be better. These erythropoietin injections are being used